Let's compare LeadsForge to LeadIQ to see which platform is a better choice for your business and will help you sign more clients. Now, both of these platforms may look quite similar. They both provide you leads and they're both considered lead databases. They have lead in their name, but they are quite different. So let's talk about it. LeadIQ is more like a all-in-one platform. So if you want to actually spend time capturing leads, like using a Chrome extension, then pushing them to a CRM, using account prospecting, APIs, tracking, all of that good stuff. If you want all of that in one place, LeadIQ might be the choice for you. Now, if you want to just have an option to get leads and just pay for the leads that you want, if you already have cold email sequencer, LinkedIn sequencer, whatever it is, then LeadsForge might be a better choice for you because it's just a lead engine. You describe what leads you want right here, like CMOs in tech startups or whatever it is in the US, 50 employees or less, and you get those leads and that's it. Then if you want, you can actually push it to a sequencer like SalesForge, set up your whole infrastructure and do it in Forge Stack, but it doesn't chain you to one platform like LeadIQ does. If you have leads here, you'll probably need to use their sequencer and all of that stuff, which might not be the best option, right? They also quite differ on pricing. LeadsForge starts at $50 for 2,000 credits, and those credits roll over, while LeadIQ starts at $100 for 2,000 credits. So it's 2 times the price for the same amount of credits. Now, it includes the enrichment and all of that stuff, but like I said, you can also use SalesForge right here. It's part of the Forge stack. So overall, LeadIQ is all-in-one solution designed to help you generate leads, track them, reach out to them, while LeadsForge is just focusing to give you the best leads possible. You describe what you want as if you're talking to a friend. It gives you the leads, you pay for the ones that are valid, and that's it. You can push them to Salesforce, any other sequencer, start doing outreach and closing deals. Now, if you want a full tutorial on LeadsForge, how to use it to get the best leads possible, find lookalike leads to your ideal clients, or even scrape your competitors' followers, then I suggest you take a look at this video.